looking at logarithmic differentiation. This involves when you have a complicated functions products that involve products, quotients, functions. Okay, the best method is to use logarithmic differentiation. And you can see this one is a quotient function which involve a product of different functions. The first thing we'll do is to take the length of both sides, and that will be ln y ln. So that was the first thing we do when we're taking logarithm function. Then the next thing to do now is to apply the rules of logarithm. So this is going to be ln of the numerator. Since this one is division according to the rules of logarithm, so this will be minus ln of the denominator. So apply the rules of logarithm for division, that become minus this equal to ln of a product will give you some of those function. So we have this, then plus ln this one. Here also minus is there. So this one is going to give us ln of a product. It's going to give us the sum of those function. But with this minus now, it's going to be what? What I did is that ln of two function is going to be ln of this function plus ln of this function. I mean the natural logarithm of this function plus natural logarithm of this function. But there is a minus here. Okay, so by the time you open the brackets, it's going to become minus minus. Okay, so that's what we have. Then we can also, before we go on, so this one is having a half. So we have to be half natural logarithm of x squared plus 1. Then this one will be plus, apply the rules of logarithm. So this will be 2x. Natural logarithm of e, then minus this 7 will come to the front, and minus 2 ln sine x. Then we can now differentiate implicitly. Implicitly with respect to x. So when you are doing logarithm differentiation, it involves two functions. We have s and y. Okay, so your implicit differentiation, that will be differentiate this one. Okay, so that will be 1 over y. Then you put your dy dx by the side of that function. So and that will be equal to 1 over 2 times differentiate this one. So that's what 1 over x squared plus 1 times derivative of this inner function. That's what 2x. This one, length of natural function, that's 1. So if we differentiate 2x, we have 2. Then minus 7. This one, do the same thing also. That's 7 over 3x plus 1 times derivative of this function. Times 3. Then minus, this will be what? 2 over sine x. I mean this function, 1 over this, and then times derivative of this. So times cos x. So then the next thing to do is to remove this y from here by multiplying 2 by y. So your dy dx is going to be equal to a y. Then you open your brackets. This one, the 2 here, we cancel. This one, that's a plus 2 here. Here we have minus 7 times 3, 21 over 3x plus 1. And then minus, this will give you cos over sine. That's 2 cot x. So you close the brackets. Then the final thing to do now is to substitute your y. You know your y from your question. That's your question. So put it there. So your final answer will be what? d dx equal to, my y is what? Is everything here. Plug in your y, and then what you have inside this content, put it there, and that's the solution to this question. Okay, please, there's a watermark on the video. Click on it and subscribe to this channel. Okay, don't stop there. Click on like button and begin to type your comments. I assure you I'll respond to your comments as fast as possible. Okay, finally, share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Thank you for doing that.